Hey y'all, how's it going? We're going to have an experiment. We've got a cheap store brand pork loin roast. We're going to see if it griddles. Right now I've got it on a rack so it's not directly on the heat. I'm going to cover it. Maybe not. Let's see how. Oh, the dome lid fits. Look at that. And I'll squirt some water on there. I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit, and I'll flip it over. And when it reaches 145 degrees, I'll try doing the reverse sear thing, reverse sear thing that y'all are so proud of. And we'll find out how it turns out. I will see you later. Bye. Hey y'all, welcome back. And thank you to today's sponsors. The Save-A-Lot brand and the number 0. I learned something really important through all this. My thermometer is magnetic. Check it out. Is that cool or what? The things you learn by accident. So the meat's just about there. 145 degrees is where we want it, and it's like 140 last I checked. We also have a bowl full of multi-grain blend with vegetables warming up. Thought about griddling it. I planned on griddling it, but then I decided to try it in the pot and see what happened. I still may griddle it if I get impatient or bored. It's warming up. They suggest you serve it at room temperature or warm. It's getting warm. I've been steaming this. Ooh. Okay. Some parts are over 145 and some are right there a little over, so I think we're good. Let's grab our glove so we can do one glove. All right, now we got that off. Gonna let it sear a minute. Kind of bent. Let me turn that up high. Took longer than I expected. One thing I saw online said like 7 minutes on one side and 5, 6 on the other. That's on a grill. I had indirect heat, so maybe that made a difference. Whoa. Get the side here. Also tried coming apart on me, which probably helped it heat up faster. Oh, just look at that, y'all. Oh, I guess I don't need my glove. Just beat it, beat it. I'm hoping that's going to be good. Hoping. The black thing right here, that's my cover on the old Weber grill that the wind picked up and threw across the yard one day. I did mention we get high winds, right? We get high winds. So, after my grill died, I had to find a new pastime. Turns out the griddle was the way to go all this time. We're getting a good sear on here. I think we got some food. Let's tear off this little piece. It's pre-seasoned. I like to season my own meat, but can you see that? I can't see if you can see that or not. Okay. Oh, Lord have mercy. That's good. Let's turn that side off. And a couple pieces of this are still frozen. Oh man, that pork, y'all. Don't ever let anyone tell you you can't cook a pork loin on a griddle. Most of the rest of that's done. There's a few pieces there that just refuse to unfreeze. So that's what we got going there. And I don't think it will take them long. Okay, let's our meat needs to rest a few minutes. So we'll yank it off. Oh, I'm excited to eat it. Eat it, eat it. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. Eat it. Doesn't matter. If it's something or something, just eat it. Okay. Griddle made those pieces just a little mushy, but I bet you they taste better. What do you think? Okay, let me take this inside if I can do it without getting burnt, and then we'll come back and cut the mustard. No, cut the meat, and we'll see how it is. And we're back. The meat's had time to rest, so let's just cut into it here. Just cut off. Oh, look at that. It barely. Okay, it does need a little support. Okay, maybe I should use two hands. Get it up here. Focus. There we go. I don't have my fork on me, so excuse my utensils here. How's that look? Seriously, y'all. This is really cheap meat from a cheapy grocery because I can't resist a bargain. As good as anything in a restaurant. Thank you, Blackstone Griddle. I got a lot of cleaning to do, and maybe some reseasoning. Anyway, that's today's lesson, boys and girls. Thanks for watching, and that's a wrap.